به دوره الگوهای رایج انگلیسی خوش آمدید. این دوره شامل 100 الگو برای تقویت مکالمه زبان انگلیسی هست. در این درس یاد میگیریم چطور به انگلیسی بیان کنیم.
مراقب باش.
Be careful with.
مراقب باش.
Examples.
1. Be careful with the wet paint.
2. Be careful that you don't catch a cold. Put on more clothes before you go out.
3. Be careful not to spill the milk. Dialogue.
She has been calling me for several days now. I think she's interested in me.
Are you sure? I think she's already has a boyfriend.
How do you know?
A friend of hers told me. I'd be careful if I were you.
Why?
Because I heard her boyfriend is a weightlifter.
Wow. You're right, I guess. I better not call her.